I don't even know where to start this video. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. For the first time, are we too close? Oh, no, okay. So, as the title suggests, I haven't waxed for a good 3 months, and it was just a lot. It was a lot. Now, let me just, before we even start, I'm not the type of person that's like, ill hair. I don't care. I mean, I don't care. It's hair. We have it. It's there for a reason. The hair is there, but my hair, like the actual follicle, it hurts when it grows in. And even when it's there, like when it's long, it just hurts. I don't know why. I don't even know if I'm explaining this right. The actual follicle hurts, so I get rid of my hair. I went previously and got it waxed, got stuff waxed by a professional. A couple weeks into quarantine, I noticed my hair was growing back. I decided, okay, let's consult Amazon.com and see what these waxers are talking about. So I went on Amazon and I was like, okay, best at-home waxer. And this is the one that came up. So I ended up ordering this. It came the next day. Thank you, Amazon Prime. And it's pretty easy to use. I read all the reviews. This was like one of the top rated at-home waxers. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be perfect. Alright you guys, so this is me unboxing, and this is what comes in the pack. You get your 4 bags of wax beads, and it comes with directions on the back, and then you get some, I don't know what you technically call those, but they're tongue depressors, and then the little after wax smoothers, more tongue depressors, and you get instructions and those little rings that go around the rim of the wax warmer so that you don't drip wax all over the device. So here is me using it for the first time. Now the directions said to pour the wax into the removable pot, and then what you're going to do is turn the device all the way up to the highest setting so that it melts. And once that light goes off, then it's at that temperature, and you lower it to the temperature that you want your wax to be. As long as you don't have it to where it's too thick of a consistency and not too thin, because then you'll burn yourself. You want it the consistency of like thick honey, and that's when you know you are ready to use your wax. It only took about 5 minutes for the wax to get to the consistency that I wanted it to. So after it was melted and to the right thickness, I went ahead and did a patch test just like the instructions advise you to do. Actually, you're supposed to wait 24 hours after your patch test to make sure that you don't develop any type of reaction, but I didn't do that, and luckily I was fine. What you're seeing right now is my hair after 3 months of no shaving, no waxing, no hair removal whatsoever. I guess it doesn't look that bad. I don't know. It depends on your body and how fast your hair grows, but this is what I have. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but when it comes to not knowing what you're doing, it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, so here is my first official application to my leg, and clearly I'm doing it wrong. You're not supposed to put it on that way, but I didn't watch any tutorials beforehand, so I just did what I thought was right. But you definitely want to put most of the wax at the bottom so that you don't have a rough time getting that edge up before you rip it off. You want to leave like a little dollop at the bottom of where you're going to gather it and rip it up against the direction of hair growth. Even though I applied the wax kind of wrong, it did rip out the hair. I was really impressed by that. So here I go again. I did it right that time. I left the dollop at the bottom, and it did take out a bunch of hair. I was really impressed and really pleased by how this product was working so far. It might be a little hard to tell that the hair is actually coming off because I do have keratosis pilaris Polaris, however you pronounce that other word, strawberry legs. So the follicles leave these little dark marks on my legs, which makes it kind of look like I still have hair, but trust me, this product is picking up the hair and it's fairly smooth. So this little pocket should be down here so it's easier to peel off. But you know, trial and error. We're just gonna go for it. So you start, oh, you can't even see. You start peeling at the, oh yeah, that's on there. Start peeling at the bottom. Get a nice little starting point, like so. And then, nice. This is good. Everything honestly was going really well until I realized, you know, I don't have the smallest legs. I was blessed with legs that are thick with 4Cs, and this is going to take a lot more effort than I initially thought. This is the next day, and I have wax on the toilet. There we go, wax on the toilet, and I have patches. I have patches of actual hair that I don't know. I just missed it. I didn't rip it out. I was not going in a pattern, and now I am hereby known as Patches. Okay, you can call me Patches. It's okay. I won't get offended. Basically, my cute nails are no more, and they're peeling because when I try to, when I try to peel the wax up, it gets stuck to my nails. Look at all the hair that's still, oh my god, this nail. Anyways, look at the hair that's still remaining, and I have patches of wax that didn't even wash off in the shower last night. So this is what I have. And it does remove the hair, but this is the only problem that I have. I can't get back here. I guess maybe it comes with practice, but the back of my legs, they're just gonna be hairy. They're gonna be sore and hairy. Where I went wrong here. Number one, I did not watch any tutorials, no like tips and tricks on how to wax at home. I was just like, I'm opening the box and I'm about to do this. I was so excited, I was gung-ho, but you definitely want to get on youtube.com and type in waxing at home tips. It might save your life. It might save your nails. Like, I think this kit is really good because when I was using it, it does get the hair off, but I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't have patience. I don't want to do it. I can't see the back of my legs, so they're hairy. I have patches. I have wax. I am a mess. This was my test patch. As you can see, there's a whole area. There's just a little patch of hair right here missing. You see hair, and then there's like a patch here. That is where I did my test patch, and it picked up the hair. Although I don't feel like this is the best place to test that because the hair on my arms is fine, but my legs, whew. Anywhere that I have like coarse or thicker hair on my body, it has to come off because otherwise the skin just hurts. That's so weird. I wonder, is that a thing? So you definitely want to do a test patch first. You want to watch videos and tutorials because this is not it. I'm just showing you my experience. This is not a tutorial. Have any of you tried to wax at home? Like, how was your experience? I'm curious to know. Let me know how your experience went. If you want, feel free to leave me some tips on what you did to get rid of your hairy situation. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you see when I upload a video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. And turn on your post notifications so you see when I upload a video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.